Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use front flash on Snapchat Android. The process is very simple. Simply go and open your Snapchat app. Once in the app, in the top right hand corner, you will see an icon like a Z. That's the flash icon at the moment. You can see that it has an X beside it to enable the front flash. You will simply tap on that icon. As you can see right here, tap anywhere on the camera to dismiss. As you can see, this is the front flash and you can simply zoom right here. You can change the tone. There are numerous options you can choose from there. You will simply tap on the circle like you will normally do to record a snap. That's it. In this way you can use front flash on the Snapchat Android. So this was the process by which you can use front flash on the Snapchat Android. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.